Did I miss anything? No. All right. We also have financial aid available. So if you want to apply for financial aid, you first must have your GED or high school diploma. Also, if you're a male, you must have applied for selective service, also known as the draft. To apply for FAFSA, if you're a senior now and you haven't applied for FAFSA, do it today. Do it with mom or dad. You need their tax information. Do it today. If you're a junior, rising senior, do it on or after October 1st of this fall year. That is the first day of the school year that you can apply for financial aid for the following year. To get the most that you would be eligible for, you must apply for FAFSA by February 20th. And the institutional deadline is April 1st. You still fill it out. If you're taking summer classes this year, if you're going to take fall classes with us and you haven't done anything yet, still fill it out. Now you might be asking, Josiah, what is FAFSA? FAFSA is the free application for federal student aid. That is what it's called, the free application for federal student aid. If you go to a website that's not www.fasfa.ed.gov and try to do the FAFSA, they're going to charge you. Then it's no longer the free application for federal student aid. We want you to do the free application for federal student aid and put your information in there and then not have to pay for it, okay? Once again, that becomes available on October 1st. I speak words, yeah. That is what the page looks like. So if you're looking at that slide right now, that is what the FAFSA website looks like. Make sure you're at that website when you're filling out your FAFSA. Now, over to Kim Bachman. She's going to talk to you about free money, also known as scholarships.
All right, well, I have some good news. So for those of you who may have wanted to apply for the Maryland Community College Promise Scholarship, but thought the deadline had passed, so it was previously March 1st, but you can still apply for this. There are very specific steps to follow, and we recommend that you contact our financial aid office for more details. So they can be reached at financialaid@carrollcc.edu or by calling 410-386-8437. So again, there are very particular steps that you would need to follow for the Maryland Community College Promise Scholarship, but it is still available. So I encourage you to apply and reach out to the financial aid office for more information.